what's going on with me, but I thought I was literally filming. I literally unpackaged the subscription, so let's start the intro over. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing ZEESEA subscription box. This is $40 a month. It comes from, I believe, Korea or China. I do pay for this myself. I have been getting this for, I don't know, 6-7 months now, and I was going to cancel, but last month they got me because it was beautiful. The packaging was nice. You might hear the ZEESEA, I always want to say ZEESEA, but it's ZEESEA makeup goes around. It's like the most beautiful makeup in the world, packaging. Well, they have their own subscription box. So if you want to see what I got, hear my thoughts and opinions, am I going to keep it or cancel it? Because this will be my decision, whatever's in here this month. And keep on watching. Really quickly, I have the AC on. You guys know I keep it on eco, so it does go on and go off, but it's hot up here. It is. And I just got done filming a reaction video, so I'm a little heated. Hopefully anything that does with makeup or beauty related stuff puts me in a better mood. So I'm like, let me do a couple unboxings to calm me down a little bit. If the video's already up, I'll leave it down below. That is something you don't want to miss. I'll tell you that. I will definitely tell you that. Okay, so it comes like this was inside, and then these were inside there. So like I said, you always get like a palette, which is nice. I do like their palettes and stuff. The palettes usually range about $30, and so the subscription is $40. You know, you can't beat that. It does not come with a card, so that I don't like. And you usually get 5 items, so there's 3 here, and I just love the packaging here. And maybe there's a couple in here. Let's see. Okay, yeah, so there's 2 in here. All right, so there's 5 things. So let's go over the first 3 things. All right, so this is a matte lipstick right here. Everything is in, like I said, I don't know if it's in Chinese or Korea, I'm not sure. And it always comes very nicely packaged, like saran wrapped and stuff, which is nice and sanitary. We like that. Okay, so that's what it looks like right there. Yeah, I have no idea what the shade name is. Let's see. Ooh, that's a pretty color right there. It's like a brick red. It just says 510, the number. Okay. So, it's one of those applicators. Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, I like that. Right up my alley. Love it. Right there. Kind of like what I have on today, a little bit more redder, you know? It's like a brick red. I like it. I like it. Okay. The next thing is a makeup primer. It says, so let's cut her open. I've already got concealer, even foundation, but it's not like a foundation. It's more like a tinted cream, you know? I did not like the foundation, but the concealer I liked. All right. Get with me. Okay, so that's what the box looks like. Feels like glass, I think. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Packaging is nice. It's like a frosty packaging, and it has a pump. Okay, let's just see. So it's like a peachy pink color, you guys can see. And it's thick. It feels more like a moisturizer. I want to see if it's like matte or does it give like dew. So it's kind of like a little bit dewy, but it feels more like silicone-y, like a moisturizer. So we'll have to try it out, see what we think of it. Okay, the next thing is a glitter liquid eyeshadow. I actually have like a glitter eyeshadow on me. I had it for hours now, so it's probably already gone, but I love glitter eyeshadow. The only thing is they dry out quick, you know? Remember when the Stila came out? Oh my God, people like lost their mind over it. They were like $24, me included, but they didn't, they dried out, you know? All right, so there's the packaging. Am I showing you the packaging? Yeah, right there. It's holographic. Let's see what color you be. Oh, what in the world? I was not expecting this color. This is pretty. That's pretty. It has like gold and purple and different things in there. Oh, look at that. So that's like a eyeliner. So let's see. I'm gonna do it thick so that way you guys can see the color. This is more definitely like an eyeliner or like a topper that you would just put on top, you know? All right, I'm not, because of the way that this brush is shaped, I'm not gonna be able to like make it real thick. I don't know what you can see. It's pretty, it's prettier in person. But when I pat it, really, all you see is glitter. You know, it's not like pigment. It's just a little glitter that will be on here. But that's what it said, a glitter eyeshadow. So, all right. So those are the 3 items. We're going to do this short and sweet. All right. So then we have these 2 here. Oh, this is a different palette that we usually get. Okay. So this is, let's see, Silky powder. Now I got something like this before. It was like more of a whitish powder, which I have tried and it is okay. I use it for like under my eyes to help set it. Oh, having trouble here. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Yeah, I can't tell the shade. Is this the same thing? 03. I think the last one I got in 02. Let's take this off. I mean, the package is always very, very nice. It really is. Okay, this is a different. So you get this, and then this right here you could take off. When it looks frosted, it's like a film that you take off. So this is more like translucent. I got like a whitish one. So okay, it's a different color, and that's exactly how it felt. The other one was more like white. I like this one better, actually. Feels very silky, and then you can use this if you would like. Ooh, I like this. I really do. And last but not least, it's a palette. And like I said, this is a different type of palette. It says ZEESEA on there. This is the Marvelous Fantasia 12 Color Eye and Cheek Palette 01. Okay, so finally something different. Good, good, good. Okay, so it comes in like a cardboard. That packaging is so pretty, and like you can feel it's like rough, like I don't know, it's like do you know what I mean? It's like not a flat surface, but that's just gorgeous. And then on the back, so it looks like a book. Do you see what I mean? Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, this is not what I was expecting. Okay, so it doesn't have a mirror, but it's like a book. That's exactly what it is. And that's, let me take this off, and then look at that. So it goes all the way back. That is gorgeous. I don't like this. This is like a glitter, you know, I don't like that pressed glitter, but everything else is beautiful. You can use, it says, what does that say? Nutcracker, I want to say. So, right, you can use that as a blush. This as a blush, as an eyeshadow. Look at the yellow. And it's like I don't want to swatch it because can you see the design on all of them? Yeah, I don't want to swatch them because, I don't know, weird like that. But that is just very quickly an orange and a yellow. But I went in very, very lightly. But that's just gorgeous. I think it's really, really pretty. Ooh, I like this. I like this a lot. Okay, is this from the Nutcracker collection? I can't tell. It says made in China. So all this stuff comes from China. No, because it doesn't say Nutcracker. I don't know. But let's recap everything that we got in this month's box. So you have this beautiful eyeshadow palette. I actually like these better than the other one. Face or eyeshadow. You have this powder, which I will be using. I like the formula of the other one, but I like this color better. So I'm glad to get this. Beautiful lipstick. Glitter eyeshadow. And what else did we get? A primer, right? Where's the primer? Oh. Right in front of my face, and a primer that's more like a moisturizer. I really like it. See, I think I'm going to keep it one more month. I definitely think it's worth the $40. I really, really do. Let me know down below if you heard of this subscription. What do you think of it? Do you think it's worth $40? I think $40 is expensive every month, but I definitely think the value is there. Do you know what I'm saying? I think you do get your $40 value. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. All right, guys, I'm going to get off of here, and I got to start cooking dinner. I am hungry. I only ate earlier today, but I've been craving like a chicken Caesar salad for me. I don't know. I've been craving salads lately. When it's hot out, I want salads. Do you know what I'm saying? Alright guys, please like this video. It really does help me out. Or dislike it. That helps me out too. Make sure you leave a comment. That helps out with engagement. Let me know what you think of this subscription. Let me know if you... Oh, before I forget, I do have... I'm not sure when this video will go out, but I do have the Jeffree Star giveaway going on and a Slay Glam box. There'll be 3 winners. One winner will win 3 months, one winner will win 6 months, and the other one will win a whole year of a monthly Slay Glam box. So I'll leave those videos down below if you want to enter them. And that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Dang, it must be hot up here because you haven't went off yet. You still one, girlfriend. I'm hot. I am hot.